how to download on your YouTube account. So first, so I just click my YouTube. So really slow. Oh my god, what's slow? So I have two accounts. So I choose my email indicator. So watch that tab. So upload. You see, I have just two videos. Have my own playlist, channel, about, and everything. So I go on my. You see that upper arrow with that table. I don't know what it's called. So click that. And then I have photos or videos. So I click photos and just one. Okay, just a few seconds. Okay. Oh, here we go. So I choose everything I have. So here we go. I choose this one with my brother. So here you go. You can watch that. I want to show you my video. Maybe, tomorrow, next time, everything. So I have titled it banana song. So that I have my description. Hope you like my hope you like my video, and I hope you subscribe me. That's all. And then I want to say watch it. Watch it. Sorry about my. So here you go. If you like my video and subscribe, what would be it? Anything you want. So you see, you see an arrow at the top. Here you go. You see that. Upload. Here you go. With an arrow in the left. So here you go. Your person uploaded. That's how it. Um, so here you go. 7%. Your phone downloading. So here you go. Just a few seconds. Okay. Here you go. Oh my god. Oh my god. So here you go. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Yes, yes. Oh wait. About 3 seconds. Two. And one. Oh my god. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Oh my god. How you see that? 95%. Okay. So here you go. Let's watch it. Okay, you have your free watch. So watch it carefully, everyone. Oh my god. No, no, no. Watch it at my account. Subscribe me at the England the Creator. So hope you like it, everyone.